Here we are at A.L. Kinsall Park in Lynn Haven. I love this park. You've got a splash pad, you've got a park for the kids, and of course, here's North Bay. We're only 5 blocks from this beautiful house. Let's go take a look. Welcome home to this stellar property here in the city of Lynn Haven. We've got a 3-bed and 1-bath with all of this open living space. I love the remodel and can't forget some shiplap that's been done here. We've got a whole new hood vent and everything you need in this perfect appointed kitchen. Let's check out the bedrooms. Welcome into the main ensuite. As you can tell, the modernization continues throughout the whole home with the contiguous floors and ample space. I love in this room, you've got the access to the bathroom here like a full ensuite. Can't miss out on this massive yard. Let's go. I love how this extra outdoor living space opens up so much of that Florida lifestyle. You have a double lot here. The epoxy concrete and these new awnings have just been expanded for all of that outdoor living. So for more information, look in the description below. I have that listing link there for you. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any beauties like this one.